Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Hyundai Kona SEL Impulse Red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5987A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.